Normally patients, before they come in for a consultation for implant therapy and they've been told that they need to get an implant or they need to replace that missing tooth, oftentimes, they do their due diligence. They go in, they Google, they try to find out some information. And obviously they come in with a couple of questions. Basically, there are 3 questions that I would recommend patients ask. The first question that a lot of patients ask is dental implant therapy appropriate for my condition or my situation? And that's a very good question to ask because in reality there are a lot of different options. No 2 patients are the same. And so it's our responsibility to educate the patient about all the different options that they have. Are they an ideal candidate for implant therapy and the long-term prognosis and success of that implant?
Here at Millennium Periodontics, we have the latest technology. It helps to ensure success of the implant, but then also it helps to ease the process. It makes the patient comfortable while they're here, and it's a fast and speedy process with a quick turnaround.
Another question that a lot of patients ask is, what is the dental implant? How does it work? And that's, again, another great question to ask because you want to know what's going in your mouth. You want to know how we're going to restore your smile, how we're going to restore your tooth. And the reality is, dental implant is a titanium root. It replaces the root of the tooth. And later on, a crown goes on it, and then you function on it like a normal tooth. You keep it clean like a normal tooth, and you come in and you maintain it like a normal tooth.
Here at Millennium Periodontics, we have over a decade worth of experience. All of our doctors come from different areas of the US where we've trained, and so we're lucky enough to be able to come together, collaborate, but come from different points of view to ensure the best outcome for our patients.
A question that a lot of patients ask is, why should they consider implant therapy over something like dentures? And the reality is that implant therapy is actually a great option because it's a fixed option. It's a natural option. It's an aesthetic option. It's a functional option. It allows you to chew and bite normally without having to take in and out the prosthesis. So if you are looking for dental implant therapy, we invite you to come to Millennium Periodontics. Come for a consultation. We'd love to talk to you, answer all your questions.
Come visit us at Millennium Periodontics where you can get the smile that you've always wanted.